However, please note that to access this tool, you must have a paid Canva subscription. But don't worry, you can obtain a 30-day trial subscription completely free of cost. Once you sign up, this is what the bulk create tool looks like. Click on Enter Data manually. Click on Clear Table. Go back to the Google Sheets document and copy 30 rows, including the titles. Then click here and paste them. Now, pay close attention to this crucial step. Right-click on the title and select Connect Data. We need to connect each data point to its respective text element on the screen. Soon enough, you'll understand why. For example, if this is the body text, you need to select Body from the Connect Data list. Once you have connected all the data points to their corresponding text elements, it will appear as ticked, like this.